Ford Edge item organizers sent the designing wonks in Ford Performance a key to the Ford Edge, and they reacted the main way they know how, with the fresh out-of-the-box new Ford Edge Street. It's the principal Ford SUV to get the ST treatment, and it joins a revived Edge lineup with somewhat more power, significantly more innovation, and redesigned hardware. The changed 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 in the Edge ST makes 335 pull and 380 pound-feet of torque, increments of 20 horsepower and 30 pound-feet over the present Edge Sport AWD with a similar motor. Standard all-wheel drive works with a ST-tuned suspension to get shut down. The whole 2019 Edge Go comes outfitted with another 8-speed programmed transmission. However, the ST trim gets paddle shifters and a sport mode that adjusts move focuses, and also motor braking and throttle reaction. Purchasers can include a discretionary execution brake bundle. Past key identification, outside identifiers are work grille, more profound side skirts, and selective 21-inch wheels. The seats get additional supporting and a ST identification, which likewise shows up on the guiding wheel. Changes over the model line mean each Edge gets a more extensive grille flanked by full LED headlights invested by a more extensive, upgraded hood. The standard 2.0-liter EcoBoost underneath puts at 5 more pull, for 250 horsepower add up to, we are accepting that is on the same 93 octane the present Edge uses to get its 245 horsepower, and returns better, however undisclosed, gas mileage. The 8-speed auto accompanies stop, begin. Inside originators arranged for space with an amended focus support including a turning gearshift dial, preparing for a discretionary remote charging cushion. A Bang & Olufsen 12-speaker sound framework is likewise on the alternatives sheet. Portage puts an accentuation on the ST's security tech, for example, versatile journey control with unpredictable and path focusing. Equivocal controlling help enables a driver to evade a crash with guiding help to get around a deterrent on account of fast approaching effect. At the point when a mishap happens, post-crash braking naturally applies direct brake weight after an impact.